Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming power and connections because most failures are simple. Charge the headset for at least 2 hours until the LED is solid, and make sure the base station is powered and connected to the PC via USB. Once done, switch the headset mode to the platform you're using, PC or Xbox, so the base and headset match. You do this now to eliminate basic faults. If the LED blinks or the base has no power, replace the cable or test another USB port immediately. You now perform a reset and resync to clear firmware hiccups. Hold power and volume until the LED flashes to factory reset the headset. This removes corrupted profiles. Next, unplug the base station for 30 seconds and plug it back in to force a fresh initialization. Make sure to press the base sync and then the headset sync button until they pair. Watch the LEDs converge to a steady color. These steps re-establish a clean wireless link and often fix audio or mic dropouts. You finish by updating software and testing sound. Install or open the Astro Command Hub, update firmware on both base and headset, and ensure PC USB drivers are current so the device enumerates correctly. Once updated, set the headset as the default Windows playback and recording device and run an audio test. If problems persist, try another USB port or perform a full factory restore via the Command Hub. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a different.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.